Using Django project, we can analyze Vedas, Upanishads, related content. Here, the project, the data, the previously existing document having so lots of the page content. The Vedas, it is detailed information. We can study, go one by one. The basic requirement for this project. Here, the project requirement. Here, lots of tatparyas. As usually, the vivaranas we can already collected. Suppose we are considering this book as a the page count is 511. We want to certain thing we want to get back the information from entire this book. Unnecessarily, we are searching entire book content. It is a time taking process. Avoid this thing. We can speed up the process. We need to before this one. We need to maintain as a tatparyas associated vivaranas. We need to maintain the relation on the database side. Once the data is ready, suppose the data is available, I want to search for the existing entire the data records, tatparyas and vivaranas. The keyword Saraju is existing. I placed this one. So automatically existing data source, the such mechanism has happened. The anywhere and this word contains is exist. It is get back the result, but it is keep on searching is searching process has happened. So here the total 238 the records as 238 associated. Here the query is based on the configuration of hardware and RAM. It is depending on the processing the records. Here the is searched keyword is get back the information from tatparyas as usually vivaranas the get back the result. Suppose I'm giving a the words. Suppose the records is text-based information, and Vivaranas also text-based information. Suppose the human, suppose the read here to here better than it's listening as a great the way I'm giving a using a technique Google T2S text to speech analysis process. This result is get back here. I'm giving a play button. Every associated tatparyas and vivaranas, the associated audio files will be generated.
రాజులు మంచివంశము వారిని తమ దగ్గరకు చేర్చుకొందురు అట్టి మంచివంశము వారు ఆ రాజును మొదట కాని మధ్యలో కాని చివరకు కాని ఏ స్థితిలోను విడువక యంటి పెట్టుకొనియుందురు.
Similarly, another one.
పురుషుడు ప్రయత్నము చేయుచున్నచో నాతనికి దారిద్ర్యము లేదు. ఈశ్వరుని ముఖ్యనామమగు ఓ మూడు మను అర్థసహితముగా జపించుచు అన్నచో నితరులతో కలహము రాదు. మేల్కొనియున్నచో నెవనివలనను భయముండదు.
Here, previously, unnecessarily, we are go through entire book, the 238 tatparyas. As usually, vivaranas we are reading. We are reducing searching mechanism at the off of the time. What are the containing? We are looking on the existing records. Those information we are get back here. After that, any modifications is there, we need to take based on the authentication and authorization. They take the feedback over uh, uh, the location base as for the Petadipati as a paramparas. So, the Gurukulams, their do skills towards on the particular study. It is any mistakes existing real time use case considerations. Here Suppose we are taking as a one consideration, what are the reflection criteria is happen in real time. Suppose I'm clicking here.
ధనముతో ధర్మము రక్షింపబడును, యముని యమాది యోగము ద్వారా విద్య రక్షింపబడును, కోమలతతో మధురతతో రాజు రక్షింపనడును, సాధ్వి అయిన స్త్రీ చేత గృహము రక్షింపబడును.
Here get back the result. We are go for the detail. We are based on the authentication authorization, just like YouTube we are giving the opinions just like comments. Here also we can arrange such a system. We can get back any the real use cases, the what things has happened, such a way that data management we can get back, and we can analyze the deeper use case. Sometimes the existing tatparyas and vivranas viruddham means it is not correct, and the times we need to modify the records. Up to now we are done this project as a searching mechanism. The word is existing and existing record count, get back the relevant content. This use case unnecessarily we are 236 pages searching mechanisms will be we are reducing, and modification also we are doing. Here one more option, the PDF also searching option is there. Why we are going for the relational wise and the maintaining the data. Here suppose any modification is needed in public side, it is immediately reflection is not happen. That's why we are existing records itself we are create the just like this book manner we can reverse back the PDF document. How we can do such a thing. Here suppose the searching mechanism happen, we need to publicly we need to crash applications. This application data searching mechanism we are using for the Django is a one web application using we are building top of the existing record infrastructure we are managing. Suppose this data want for the some other um, just like the web application they want for this application this information, we need to share this in points means this knowledge they able to utilize somewhere else. Such a mechanisms it will be possible this fine. After that we are go for the list of the books. The list of books here existing previously in the associated records and all is, top of the book what are the tatparyas and vivranas is existing. Previously we are seen seen chapters as usually particular chapter what are the associated count for the individual chapter. So we are overall uh, we are seeing overall the particular book the how many chapters how many tatparyas and vivaranas is associated records. Suppose we are searching we are already seen. I want get back the particular book how many how much tatparyas and things is there after modification. This is generating the PDF document. Here the user the means who the based on associated the records tatparyas and vivaranas we are get back the result. Here detailedly we are seen some of the words is not formed correctly. Why this thing is happen? Because of here see here everything the Ottulu, all those things is correctly presented, but once we are going for the total 365 pages. After that, we are modifying and categorizing. The total content will be reduced to 42 pages. Means unnecessarily, suppose any reflections, sometimes it is required to modify. We need to update what certain thing. I am giving a dot. I think here I am giving a dot question mark. I am giving a question mark. This thing is reflected instantly here, but internet is required. I'm giving a conclusion question mark giving here. Once this thing is take a process, record is 235, the question mark is added, the relevant tatparya related audio also it is generated without unnecessarily we are leading the listening also is possible. As usually, this modification instantly on the public side, they able to get back. Here I see some of the drawbacks. Suppose the want to download, someone want to download. Here I'm giving a document number as a F. This saving as a desktop place. How this mechanism is work? The opening PDF, property, fonts. Here few fonts only it is get back. That's why it is not fully the functioning. Some issues we need to fix it in future. We need to fix. Suppose existing document having a all Telugu tatparyas and vivaranas exist. Based on this, we are load the ones PDF words will be HTML the page content tatparyas and vivaranas loads to document. We need to the load the fonts for the particular specific language wise. This is the language where fonts is loaded to the document, but it is not fully the modifications is triggering. That's why we need, I think in the future it will such many uh, ways, but finally it's getting the little bit. The alternate way is the words to PDF. It is instantly without any issue. Go through all those things, it will be converted. Finally, it is the load the all the relevant the fonts and all. But the real time wise here, the real time, the instant modification we can get only from the framework itself. We need to get back the result. Then it will be loading good fonts loads. Then it will be generate the good PDFs. The many use cases such a way that we can time triggers will be reduced. Unnecessarily here also, mm, unnecessarily we are reading all those things. We need to give a search mechanism so and so word, then it will be getting the detailed result. Compared to PDF, this data is open for everyone. Means in Indian Telugu speak people, what are the land cover is covered, and Telugu speaking people, they able to share this knowledge. Any opinions to get back the corrections instantly. It can possible to modify some uh, um, god related the data also is generated, and based on that data we can maintain and correction also is possible. Fine, I'm giving conclusion. The Vedas and Upanishad related process also we can do using this type of text. We can convert it as a record wise based on verbs, all those things considerations. We can instantly we can get the results from existing database. Based on the bulk data set, we can efficiently increase the capacity of the searching mechanism and techniques. It will be the future, it will be application will be increase the scope of the get back the results of which content they wanted. Such a conclusions will be we can estimate. It will be help the many cases, means jyotishyas and vastu, and the many use cases we can build. Finally I'm giving conclusion. This is a part 3 for the uh, Vedas and Upanishads related content. Fine, I'm giving conclusion. This is I'm taking a few records only, up to 345 records. Then not this is actually one. So 31. I think this is specific for the chapter through. Chapter 2. That's why it's getting specific records. Previously we have seen total tatparyas and vivranas much around 300. Count is increasing. Specific content we want, such a mechanism also we can do. This is the classified, we can manage this data as a classified data. uh, Suppose we want for certain information from the entire we have certain book, we want for the certain thing. Unnecessarily we don't want a read entire content. We want such certain thing, matched content is available, we can see and get back the required knowledge. That is sufficient, I think so. But who is the more deeper on this subject, they want for the very helpful manner. Fine, I'm giving conclusion. Thank you, goodbye. Based on your support, we will do more useful use cases on this related extension projects. Fine, thank you, goodbye.